It's April 12 na nga and today is the start of another feel-good K-drama na Resident Playbook. At syempre dito sa first part, ang OST is sung by Lino, Sungmin, and Ayan of Stray Kids. Nakaka-excite kasi first time natin na marinig or makita yung combination nilang tatlo. Yung Stray Kids, they participated in na sa mga different OSTs, mga sa K-drama, even sa anime, as a group. This time, with Resident Playbook, it's a new combination kasi yung vocal ratcha, Ayen and Sungmin, we saw them like together in one song. Tapos, si Sungmin naman at saka si Lino, they had a track din na ni-release just recently, pero we haven't seen them pa, like the three of them. Merong before, yung sa Waiting for Us, kaya lang apat sila doon, so with Bangchan. But for this one, tatlo lang sila, kaya ayun, it's another one for stays, kaya naman let's all support Resident Playbook at ang OST na to sang by Stray Kids. Grr, grr, grr!